In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the comment and markup tools in Adobe Acrobat DC. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to launch Adobe Acrobat on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you download it from the official Adobe website and follow the on-screen prompts for installation. Once Acrobat is open and ready, the next step is to open the PDF document that you want to annotate. After you've loaded your PDF, direct your attention to the floating toolbar. This is where you'll start engaging with the comment tools. Click on the Add Comment button. This is your gateway to a suite of tools that will allow you to annotate your document in various ways. Now, you can start adding comments. Simply click anywhere in the document where you feel a note or comment is necessary, whether it's feedback, an observation, or a question. Just type it in and make sure it's clear and concise. This feature is particularly useful for collaborating on projects or sharing feedback with colleagues and friends. Apart from comments, you can also highlight, underline, or strike through text. To do this, select the text you want to mark, then choose the desired action from the toolbar. Highlighting is great for emphasizing important points, while underlining can denote items of interest. Use strike through to indicate text that may not be necessary or needs to be removed. Next, make use of the drawing tools to mark specific areas on your PDF. These tools provide an excellent way to circle items, draw arrows, and even doodle directly onto the document. Simply select the drawing tool from the toolbar and start sketching where you wish. This can be especially helpful for visual learners or for those who prefer a more hands-on approach to marking materials. Another handy feature is the ability to insert stamps. Click on the stamp icon in the toolbar to insert pre-made stamps that are available within Adobe Acrobat. These range from standard stamps like approved or confidential to customizable options where you can create personalized stamps for different needs. It's a quick way to communicate the status of a document or to add the finishing touches to your annotations. When you're done annotating, remember to save your PDF. It's simple. Just go to File and select Save, or click the Save icon in the toolbar. This will ensure all your annotations and comments are preserved. And just like that, you've marked up your PDF with ease and pragmatism. So that's it. You've now got the basics of utilizing the comment and markup tools in Adobe Acrobat DC. Practicing these steps will help you be more efficient and organized, whether you're working on projects for business, education, or personal use. Thanks for tuning in, and happy annotating.